Hello everyone, I have been experimenting with M365 Copilot and I just wanted to share this is an awesome tool for people who are working on Microsoft OneDrive in enterprises and corporates who have a lot of work in Excel, PowerPoint. This is an awesome tool. You can start using it. You can click open Copilot and there is an app that you can download. It looks something like this. It's an app that is available M365 and the good thing is it is in your email account. So if you have an enterprise email account, you will be seeing your email and it is saved as your OneDrive is connected to this. And if you can see upload files, you can connect. If you just do here add content, you will see all your OneDrive files that are there stored here, the latest ones that are there which you want to link with easily with safety. That is the one important thing. And if you want to like analyze PowerPoints and everything, this is awesome. Like if you can just go here and click add content, click this. You want to quickly summarize and give talking points. You can do that very instantly. A lot of people will ask me what is the difference with Gemini ChatGPT. It's just where your data is residing, safety, very faster way of doing things. It is taking the file from OneDrive, analyzing it, giving all the summary. This is one use case that you can do in Copilot. I'm talking about M365 Copilot. You can do a lot of analysis, you can do a lot of brainstorming. Few things that I have just experimented. If you really want to capture information and create PowerPoints, it is still not doing that great job of creating the PowerPoint from the Copilot itself. But what you can do is I was just prompting here different I want to create different PowerPoint. Give me the prompt to put it in Copilot and it gave me the whole thing here. So what I want to do is I will just try to let me just do this, create this thing for OpenClaw. And I want to create a PPT on OpenClaw. OpenClaw is a very talked about topic nowadays. Give me all the details and prompt to make the PowerPoint. Maybe in the future you can directly create from here like you can do in ChatGPT. I was just trying it. It is not giving that good initiative, but still so it is not able to understand what is OpenClaw. So it is not directly connected to the internet. So I'm asking it to connect it to the internet to get this information. So see, now it is no, still it is the experience of using this is not that great. So if you can see, it is still picking up OpenCL when I'm still typing OpenClaw, this is something that we need to look at. Let me give them the website. So let us see. It is not that smart enough. Okay, so now I have given it more discussion. You are not talking about open. Now it understood. I am talking about OpenClaw. So now it gave me the whole prompt here, and let me just try to copy this. You need to be little careful of these tools. They are not that smart enough. So you need to do your work here. So I have copied this whole thing. Now I go to PowerPoint. I open Copilot inside the PowerPoint. So this is M365 Copilot that is inside this, and now I do this particular thing. So this is a better and more efficient way of creating professional PowerPoints that you can edit, you can play around with, and you can see the action. I'm doing this live recording in front of you to show you the capability of this. My work involves creating a lot of power decks, so this is one very good way of doing it. So if you can see, it is running some code internally, and let us see. I will play back once it is coming back. Since this is running, also I can show you some other capability of M365. You can also, as I told you, you can go into Excel sheets as well here. So here there is, these are the latest files that are showing here, but suppose I want to see some Excel file dot this one. You can also analyze these files as well, so not only CSV but also Excel and everything. So this is doing its work. You can say it is taking some time. It is running few things. So for creating a new slide, the better option is you can go, once you go here, new, and you do create with Copilot. This is a better way rather than doing it in Copilot, because what was happening, and just when I'm doing Copilot, it was just giving me some errors and it was just hallucinating that it is done. So let me just go till 2000 words. It's still a little manual way of doing it, but at least you get the work done. So now this is a better way. So what we did there, we tried the other way of doing it. It was not coming well, and doing it further. So the other thing that I was just showing you while I was experimenting is you can also do it for the Excel, and you can analyze this, because I'm running it in parallel, so it is taking some time. So see, it has done this. Now it has done all the work. It has generated all the different context. It has given some suggestions which style I want. I will keep it as suggested, whatever they are suggesting, and do it the magic. So if you can see, it got the whole slide ready in a very professional manner, and you can also edit it and take it further. So this is something that is very interesting. You can start playing around with M365. You can use it as an app. You can use it to do analysis. So this is the regarding the AI residency students. It analyzed everything and it gave me all the information. So experiment with it, play around with it, and share your journey in the comments below. And thank you everyone for watching M365 Copilot, the new edition.